Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Travel Tribe Guide. Imagine a secret garden nestled amidst the hustle and bustle of London, a place where time seems to stand still. Welcome to Phoenix Gardens, a community garden hidden in the heart of Covent Garden. This hidden gem with its rich history offers a tranquil retreat from the city's relentless pace. Once a car park, now a paradise of biodiversity, Phoenix Gardens stands as a testament to the city's resilience and love for nature. Phoenix Gardens, an oasis of tranquility amidst the city's chaos, waits for your footsteps. Step into the past as you meander through the labyrinth of history that is the Strand. This bustling thoroughfare running from Trafalgar Square to Temple Bar is more than just a path between 2 points. It's a walk down memory lane, a journey through centuries of London's rich and vibrant history. Picture this: cobblestone streets echoing with the clatter of horse-drawn carriages, the grandeur of the Savoy Theatre and the hustle and bustle of the old Strand Underground Station, now a treasure trove of lost stories. Every corner you turn, every building you pass, whispers tales of yesteryears. Now imagine the architectural marvels you'll encounter. St. Mary Le Strand, a Baroque masterpiece, stands proudly amidst modern buildings, a testament to London's ability to marry the old with the new. The Somerset House, a neoclassical gem, has stood the test of time, bearing witness to the city's evolution. The Strand isn't just about bricks and mortar, though, it's also about the people who once called it home. Literary giants like Charles Dickens and Virginia Woolf, eminent scientists like Sir Isaac Newton, and countless unsung heroes whose contributions have shaped the city we see today. Strolling down the Strand is like flipping through the pages of London's rich historical narrative. Each step you take is a leap back in time, an exploration of the city's soul. So come, join us on this journey and let's uncover the secrets of the Strand together. Craving for a culinary adventure? Borough Market is your food haven. This bustling foodie paradise, nestled at the heart of London, is a melting pot of tastes and aromas from around the globe. Imagine sinking your teeth into a juicy burger from a gourmet food stall or savoring a bowl of authentic paella, cooked right in front of you. Feeling adventurous? How about trying some exotic cheeses or indulging in a plate of freshly shucked oysters? Every corner of this vibrant market is brimming with gastronomic delights, waiting to be discovered. It's not just a place to eat, it's a place to explore, to experience, and to enjoy. From the cheerful vendors to the lively atmosphere, Borough Market is truly a sensory feast. Whether you're a seasoned foodie or a curious traveler, you'll find something to tantalize your taste buds. Borough Market, a place where every bite tells a story. Experience the city's heartbeat as you stroll along the south bank of the Thames. The South Bank is not just a river walk, it's a journey through the soul of London, where past and present converge in a beautiful ballet of sights and sounds. As we traverse this path, we're greeted by panoramic views that can leave one breathless. The iconic London Eye, the Globe Theatre, and the Shard are just a few of the landmarks that punctuate this scenic route, each narrating a unique chapter of London's rich history. But the South Bank is more than its skyline. It's a vibrant tapestry of culture, brimming with street performances that can range from riveting magic shows to soulful buskers serenading the crowds. It's a place where every wall is a canvas, every corner hides a story, and every moment is a celebration, a walk along the Thames, where every step echoes with laughter, music, and life. Eager for more of London's hidden wonders? We've barely scratched the surface. London's richness and diversity are unparalleled, boasting a treasure trove of hidden gems just waiting to be discovered. From quaint cobblestone lanes echoing with history to bustling food markets brimming with mouth-watering delicacies, there's always something new to discover around every corner. Perhaps you're drawn to the royal splendor of Buckingham Palace or the serene beauty of Hyde Park. Maybe you're a foodie eager to sample the culinary delights of London's diverse food scene. Or maybe you're an art lover, ready to immerse yourself in the city's vibrant arts and culture scene. Whatever your interests, there's a London adventure waiting just for you. Immerse yourself in the vibrant art scene of London, where creativity knows no bounds. We start our journey in the Shoreditch district, a canvas for street artists from around the world. Graffiti and murals splash color onto every surface, transforming the neighborhood into a living, breathing gallery of creativity and expression. Next, we venture into the modern art galleries that challenge the conventional and celebrate the avant-garde. From the iconic Tate Modern to the lesser-known Whitechapel Gallery, these spaces house works that push the boundaries of creativity, sparking thought-provoking conversations about art and society. Our journey ends in the heart of the West End, London's theatre district, where stories come to life on stage. Whether it's the timeless classics or the groundbreaking new works, the magic of the theatre is a testament to the city's rich cultural legacy. From the eclectic street art to the thought-provoking galleries and mesmerizing stage performances, London's art scene is a feast for the senses. It's a world where creativity thrives and imagination is set free. If you like the video, please do subscribe to our channel.